Some of us eat turkey and mashed potatoes. Some of us eat tamales or collard greens. Some are hungry and don't have any food to eat.
Some of us have family, others do not. Some are all alone, so how can there be Thanksgiving?
In each person's heart, the only way is to look beyond what we do or do not have. Thanksgiving in my heart and yours is only possible when you choose to thank God for who He is. And if we want to bless the Lord's heart, we can give to others in need. Maybe our grown-ups will help us take or serve food to those without a nice meal. Maybe we can visit or share a toy with someone who is alone.
We can thank God that because He sent His beautiful Son, Jesus, to earth, we all, no matter what we do or do not have, can live with Him forever.
So ask Jesus and your grown-ups about